HTML5 is very important for anyone who wants to learn web development. So this course will help you become a professional in it and enter the job market. This is a simple code in HTML5, and this code for I make a simple text. This is not important right now. The most important thing is to know how can we use it and what the components are. And this applies to all the almost code. This is left angle bracket. It's the opening tag, and this is right angle bracket. It's a close tag. And all this under the name opening tag because we have the opening tag and closing tag, and this is a character in the code, and this is a job making a simple text. For example, we have a and edge 1, edge 2, edge 3, edge 4, 5, 6, b, I, italic, so many codes, and every code he have a name. He can a name or he can a word. For example, P on the paragraph, edge 1, heading. So the A make the link for text. Edge make a heading text for page. B make the text bold and more. You see, every character or name in HTML5 have a job, and this is a closing tag. And the difference here is there a slash because this is the full tag in HTML5. This tag for the opening web, and we will explain them all one by one. So, the doc type HTML is this tag tells the browsing that the document is HTML5 because the web he don't know this is HTML, this is CSS, this is JavaScript. He don't know the web he don't know, and you should type dict type HTML to make the successful web or file web. So the HTML, this tag grab all the content of your HTML document. It tells the browsing that this is on HTML document. This he tells to the browsing this is HTML. This is not CSS. This is not notebook. Not bad. Sorry, not bad. This is not bad. This is HTML file, and you should be read it. Head. This section contain meta information about the HTML document, like the title and the link. For example, link to the CSS, link to the JavaScript file, because you can make in the so many file in the big project. For example, you can link the to the CSS add, making your style like the title and the link to styleship or script. Title, this tag sees the title of the web page, which is displayed on the browser tab. There is in the typing in the browser tab, you have the title. This is title. This is the name. Sorry, the name or title. This is Sam. Body. This tag wraps the all content that is visible on the web page, such as text, image, and link, and more. More is video or audio. Body, he is the most important on the HTML. So you say this lecture, I don't have any idea about the HTML. You know, you have the so many information about the HTML now. In this lecture, we learn the basic of HTML5, which is the use to create web page. We want over important tag and how to use them to build a web page. Knowing this passing is very important for developing websites. As we move forward in this lecture, this course, we learn more about advanced topic and how to make interactive web page. Keep practicing to become a good web developer. And see you in the next lecture. The next lecture, we will apply all everything we learn. we are. Goodbye.